News highlights of the day. Mahakumbh 2025 to feature mesmerizing drone light show depicting mythological tales. Turkish Airlines launches UNESCO Türkiye series, Amenity kits highlighting cultural heritage. Alliance DMC Jordan partners with SSR Travel Solutions to boost tourism from India. Rikant Pittie appointed CEO of EaseMyTrip. IndiGo launches direct flights connecting Bhubaneswar, Dehradun and Srinagar. UK issues updated travel advisory for India, warns against satellite phones without license. Now news in detail.
Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj is set to captivate millions of pilgrims and visitors with a spectacular drone light show, blending modern technology with ancient traditions. From 13th January to 26th February 2025.
Turkish Airlines, renowned for offering world-class travel experiences, has introduced an innovative amenity kit collection titled the UNESCO Türkiye series, inspired by 6 iconic UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
Alliance DMC Jordan, a renowned destination management company known for delivering exceptional travel experiences across Jordan, has announced a strategic partnership with SSR Reps, a specialized division of SSR Travel Solutions, as its official representative in India.
EaseMyTrip, one of India's leading online travel platforms, has announced the appointment of Rikant Pittie as its Chief Executive Officer, CEO, and co-founder. This strategic move is set to strengthen the company's position in the competitive travel industry.
IndiGo, India's leading airline, has announced the launch of new direct flights connecting Bhubaneswar to Dehradun and Dehradun to Srinagar, starting 6th February 2025.
You are watching Travel World Online.